which ones do you think is real and which do you think are fake?
Okay, I think this time...
Pretty tough decision.
The only thing that gives away, in my opinion...
Are you ready to see a new way to make ice cream? Well, let's go into our special top secret ice cream laboratory.
It's top secret, assistant, but you can actually buy this now.
Yeah.
So what is it?
It's a ColdSnap.
ColdSnap ice cream, right?
Right.
So, wait a minute.
You can make ice cream from a can in 2 minutes.
Cool, so you've got these flavors right here. What are they?
Salted caramel, chocolate, coffee, mocha, and vanilla.
Yeah, the mocha is actually a snappuccino, right?
Right.
It's a little different than the ice creams.
Right.
So, what flavor should you make first?
Salted caramel.
Okay, so how do you go about it? This sounds like really complicated.
It's not. You just get this, put it in here, ready? Drop it in.
And wait, before you do that, assistant, go ahead and do it.
I probably need to put this down there.
Okay.
Slide it forward, and you wait 2 minutes.
You wait 2 minutes for it to go. And how do you know when it's done, ready to make the ice cream?
These stars here will go all the way around, and the ice cream will start pouring into the cup.
Oh, that's awesome. So, assistant, do you know how this was invented?
No.
It was an engineer had his daughter make a journal every night of different inventions.
Wow.
And she wanted a way to learn to make ice cream on the go, like without any mess.
Oh.
And
well, this definitely accomplished it.
And they invented this ice cream machine, this ColdSnap.
Oh. Well, while we're waiting for it to complete, we should pick out our toppings.
Yeah. So it's always great to keep a journal if you have any ideas on things that you want to see invented. You can invent them.
Well, this is salted caramel, so I think we're gonna go with the caramel sauce.
Okay. Sometimes caramel and chocolate go well together too.
So both of these?
Sure.
Okay. Go down a layer.
Okay. So you don't need to keep the cans refrigerated, right?
Right. I think we're gonna do these too.
Okay. And why don't you get those cherries out?
Okay.
Your assistant's not a big fan of cherries, but Mr. Engineer is.
I like cherry flavored things.
Yeah. So we're going to make 2 flavors. The first one is going to be, what'd you select?
Salted caramel.
Salted caramel.
And then the next one's going to be vanilla.
Vanilla, but we're going to use maybe strawberry syrup to make it like a strawberry kind?
Yeah. With a cherry.
So I love the story about how a dad and his daughter worked together to invent this brand new ice cream machine.
Yeah.
Just think, you know.
Waffles thinks it's pretty cool.
Yeah, Waffles can't have ice cream.
She likes a dog ice cream.
Yeah, we did make a YouTube short on doggy ice cream. Okay, so here we are.
Oh, it's almost done. Here it goes.
Look at that.
Whoa.
Okay,
Perfect.
now what do you do with it?
You slide it back, and you can take out the can with no mess.
Really? No mess at all?
Nope, no mess.
Oh, it's just, you just slide the can in, and you can see the ice cream down there. See my hand?
Yeah.
So why don't we make another flavor while you're decorating that, okay?
Okay, let's put in vanilla.
Okay. Okay, you're gonna make the vanilla, right?
Yeah.
So you drop it in.
Push it forward, and wait 2 minutes.
Okay, while you're doing that, let's decorate the salted caramel, right?
Right. We said we're gonna do chocolate sauce.
Okay. A little chocolate.
A little caramel. Ooh.
Okay.
Some sprinkles. To give it some color.
Oh, yeah. All right, do you want to taste it? See how you like it?
Yeah.
All right.
Should I use this spoon?
Sure.
Here I go. Mmm.
So it's salted caramel with caramel. What do you think?
Mmm.
Is that a good choice?
Yeah.
That's awesome, assistant. So
Really?
And now you have other flavors. So far, we're going to make salted caramel
And vanilla.
and vanilla. But we got to get that strawberry sauce out, right?
Oh, right.
Because we're going to do like
And this type of sprinkle.
we're going to use those sprinkles, strawberry sauce. I think this time we'll put a cherry on top too, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I go grab a spoon for that?
So look, we see that it takes 2 minutes to make the ice cream. Okay, it's almost ready. So again, one of the things I really like is those
Here it goes.
cans can be just kept at room temperature.
Vanilla.
Vanilla. Awesome. All right, now let's decorate it. Not decorate it. I guess you actually just put the toppings on it. All
Okay.
right, we remove the can.
Here we go. Strawberry sauce.
Okay.
Whoa, that's coming out really fast.
Oh, it is coming out fast.
Okay, now sprinkles.
Some sprinkles. Okay, that looks good.
And then a cherry on top.
And 1 cherry on top. Just grab it by the stem.
Perfect.
Well, look at that, assistant. Your ColdSnap ice cream.
Yeah.
All right.
Vanilla with strawberry sauce, sprinkles, and a cherry on top.
Hey, I got an idea. Let's compare it to some.
Some slime ice cream.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay. Now that we've made our ColdSnap ice cream, let's make some slime ice cream to see if you can tell the difference.
So, what kind are you going to use, assistant?
We're gonna use some strawberry slime ice cream first.
Okay. So, this is the Slime Company's slime ice cream set, right?
Right. It's pretty awesome. Okay, there's the first scoop.
Okay.
Scoop number 2.
All right.
Is that good?
I think so.
Now, what flavor of sauce should I do? What do you think?
Use strawberry ice cream or strawberry syrup for your strawberry ice cream.
Okay, here I go. Perfect. Now, should I add some sprinkles, cherry on top?
Why not both?
Okay. First we do sprinkles.
Okay.
Whoa. Grabbed a lot of sprinkles on accident.
Good.
Okay. And then the cherry on top.
Perfect.
Ta-da!
Okay, that's great, assistant. So this is one of the options. But you know what? We don't
What?
actually have strawberry ice cream with our ColdSnap, right?
Right.
We didn't make it. We made vanilla.
Okay.
So you need to make some with vanilla ice cream too, right?
Perfect. Well, hold on. I gotta make sure all the strawberries off of this so you can't tell.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Because we're going to see if we can fool you. Okay, so she's going to make her strawberry ice cream. And so we're going to make one out of each. And it's up to you to determine if you can figure out which one's real and which one's fake. Right, assistant?
Right. That's looking good.
Sure. Okay. Now you're going to use your strawberry sauce, right?
Right? Well, there we go.
Oh, that looks really good.
And then sprinkles?
Yeah, some sprinkles and maybe another cherry.
Okay.
Now we're going to compare them to the 3 to see if you can determine which one's real and which one's fake, even though you've seen us make it, so it probably won't be too tricky.
Ready?
And the cherry on top.
Perfect.
All right, let's get our ColdSnap ice cream and see if you can determine which is which, right?
Right.
So we've got 3 examples.
Which one do you think is real, and which do you think are fake?
Okay, I think this time,
Pretty tough decision.
the only thing that gives it away, in my opinion,
Is the cherry.
is the cherry.
It's so much darker.
Yeah, these cherries are not real, and that one is.
They're perfectly red.
Yeah, and then this one you can kind of see. Otherwise, I don't know if I'd be able to tell which one's real and which one's fake, right?
Me neither.
All right.
Waffles, could you tell?
I don't think they can see Waffles. There she is. All right, so assistant, we have made a variety of different flavors of ColdSnap ice cream. Which is your favorite so far?
I'll rank them. It goes chocolate, salted caramel, vanilla, and then I've not tried mocha or coffee.
Yeah, she's not a big coffee drinker.
No.
At all, are you?
No.
All right, so hey, that's a pretty cool way. So again, I think one of the things that I think people should take away from this is how parents and kids can work together and like keep journals and see if there are things you can invent.
Yeah.
This was just an idea from a little girl who wrote it down in her journal, and now it's a business, right?
Yeah, pretty cool.
Yeah, that's awesome. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the video. And what should they do next?
Like this video and subscribe to our channel.
That's right.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye, everyone.